what do you need to do in order to change your Epic Games email without authentication? First of all, I would suggest you to open Epic Games webpage, epicgames.com, in whatever browser you want, and then just make sure to sign in. I'm just going to do that real quick. Sign in with Epic Games, and I'm just going to do that on my second screen, that I don't need to blur anything afterwards. Perfect. And then when you're logged in, just open another web page that is called epicgames.com/help. And here, just make that full screen real quick. Click on, scroll down to How Can We Help You? And then click on Epic Games Store. And then click on Contact Us. And then just type in whatever your contact email is, and then your platform. And then just describe real quick your problems, or just write, I would like to change my email, but I haven't got access to the current email, or whatever your problem is, and then just send it, the request. And in my case, it just took about, I think they wrote about one business day after I sent the request, so it's very, very fast. Yeah, that's it. Really hope this helped you guys. If you've got any questions, just leave them in the comment section below. Then I would write you back as soon as possible. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Wish you a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye.